In data analysis, normalization is the process of transforming a dataset into a similar scale or range for the purpose of comparison and analysis. This is significant because comparing and analyzing datasets that contain variables with varying units of measurement or scales can be challenging. In most cases, normalizing data entails adjusting it so that its new values are uniformly distributed around zero with a standard deviation of 1. This practice, known as standardization, is frequently used to bring consistency to disparate datasets. Data can also be normalized via minmax scaling, which changes the information so that it lies within a predetermined range, often between 0 and 1. Patterns, trends, and relationships between the dataset's many variables can be more readily discerned after they have been normalized. As an added bonus, it can help analytical methods that are sensitive to data size perform better. Here's one scenario in which normalizing the data would be useful. Suppose you have a dataset that details purchases made by customers down to the individual level, such as the amount spent and the age of the purchaser. When calculating the customer's age, years are used instead of dollars. Without normalization, it can be tricky to establish direct comparisons between these variables because they are on different scales. You might, for instance, wonder if there is a correlation between purchase price and age. Without normalization, the range of the purchase amount variable is likely to be much larger than the age variable, which could distort the study. Using data normalization, you may make the purchase price and age variables comparable to one another. By way of illustration, standardization could be used to make both variables have a mean and standard deviation of 0. Data normalization, in a nutshell, helps to get rid of scale disparities and get all the data on the same scale so that it can be compared and analyzed more easily. There are a variety of ways in which a product manager can benefit from data normalization. Improved capacity for making choices in order to make better judgments. Product managers might benefit from analyzing normalized data. Putting data through a normalization process ensures that all variables are measured on the same scale, making it simpler to see correlations and trends. With this information at hand, product managers will be able to fine-tune their pricing, promotion, and production methods. Product managers frequently employ statistical models to examine data and predict consumer behavior. This enhancement to the model's predictive power is a welcome development. By normalizing the data, the precision of these models can be increased. If data is normalized, the influence of outliers is mitigated and the data is distributed more normally, both of which improve the reliability of predictions. Normalization can help product managers make more effective visualizations, which is crucial because data visualization is an integral aspect of data analysis. When data is normalized, all of the variables are put on the same scale, making it simpler to construct visualizations that do justice to the data and draw attention to the most important trends and patterns. When data is normalized, flaws and inconsistencies are discovered and fixed, resulting in higher quality data. In order to ensure that the data being examined is correct and relevant, normalization can be used to assist remove irrelevant or redundant data. As a whole, data normalization may be highly useful for product managers since it allows for better decision-making, the development of more reliable statistical models, the production of more informative visualizations, and an overall improvement in the quality of the data being analyzed.